Hello guys, so I'm getting started with this Vanillisa gel polish in the color pink. I'm going to be adding 2 coats. Next, I'm going in with this white gel polish by Model Ones. I'm going to be grabbing a dabbing tool to create the little bunny face. As you can see, I decided to add 3 little bunny faces on each nail, and I'm just doing the same thing on this one. Next, I'm going in with this nail art brush by Beetles. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of the pink polish, also this a light baby blue. So I'm going to get started with the pink one. I'm going to be adding a little bit of pink inside the ears for this nail. I'm also adding a little pink nose. So I'm cleaning my brush now with some alcohol, and I'm going in with the baby blue. I'm adding baby blue inside the ears of the other nail, and I'm also doing baby blue eyes on this nail. So I'm basically doing a little girl bunny and a boy bunny. Now I'm going in with this gel polish here, like a light brown, and I'm adding some eyes on the boy bunny nail. Alright, so I'm going back with the dabbing tool. I'm using the big side, and I'm going in that light blue gel polish. I'm going to be creating some hearts. So I'm starting off with 2 little dots, and I'm just pulling it down a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my nail art brush, and I'm just going to start making the heart. I went ahead and cured them, and now I'm going in with some top coat. And now I'm going in with this nail glue here for rhinestones by Model Ones, and I'm adding 2 pink rhinestones on the pinky nails, and this is how my set looks. I went ahead and shaped out the nails. They turned out really cute, and this is how they look on my hand. They turned out super cute, guys. It's such an easy nail art tutorial, super beginner friendly. Thanks for watching, guys.